We're scared to make a revolver? Buddy, we already made Colt, Deagle, and USP variations. I think we can do a revolver, and we have. But before we show you, let me tell you about our other blasters. This is our Titan Scorpion Shot, the first fidget blaster created in the form of a 1911. It has a slide release as well as a removable mag that can hold and eject 8 plastic shells. We also created a Deagle variant that makes the most ear-tickling sounds and has all the same features as the Titan, as well as a USP with the most satisfying recoil and added projectile shooting on top of all those same features. But you guys still want a revolver, so we might as well show you.